Hello YouTube friends. I just got a delivery from Coach Outlet, and so I thought I'd just do a little unboxing. I'm going to flip this over so you can't see the mailing label, so I'll be opening this upside down, but it just came, so I thought I would share the unboxing excitement with you guys. I hope everyone is doing well, had a nice relaxing holiday. It'll be nice someday when we can totally get back to normal. But until then, we have our bags. So this is a little Coach haul. Very little. Woo. Let's see. Did they send me everything? Aha, they did. Oh, this is weird. Okay. So, sorry about that. They sent me both things in one bag. So these do not look like they are factory wrapped. They probably just came from a store. But either way, I will unwrap them with you. Coach always does something new, you know. There's always something that they're doing that's different than you expect them to do. So as you can see, no padding in there at all. Just a little invoice. And I'll move that to the side. So what I got is the little zip coin case. These are really cute. I have this in the light blue canvas with the oranges on it, and so I thought black would be good. And here is the tag from it. Comparable value is $78. Leather zip around card case or coin case on this one. It's in black and it's the cross grain leather. Can't talk. And it's all cross grain leather on the inside too. But these are really such a handy size. They're so tiny, but they really pack a lot. I enjoy them. And I didn't have one in leather. I only had the canvas. So this is good. I like that. Just very basic with the gold. Cute. Okay, and then the second one is something that I have been wanting for a long time now. This is the Jess Crossbody. And I was curious to see how it looks as far as size-wise next to my new favorite Dooney crossbody. So let's take a look at this. Here's the tag. Original price is $328. Pebble leather Jess Crossbody in black and gold. So I'm not going to put the link to either of these because I checked them this morning and they were both sold out, and I know that can be disappointing, but again, they had their really good Black Friday sale. Oh no, what is this? Okay, so I've got half of a strap here. Where's the other half? Ah, okay. So they've got them kind of, I was afraid I had half a strap, but they have them kind of separated, and I don't know. Anyhow, this still has the wrapping on it, but I really like the little brass hang tag. That's cute. And you have the two sections and the two zippers. I like that. So let me go ahead and take all this off, and then we'll compare it to my Dooney zip camera crossbody. Okay, so now I have them both here. And to be honest, I'm pretty sure this was, well, they probably both were returns or just on display in the store, but probably returns because they don't have any of the, they didn't have any stuffing at all in there. Oh, look at this. Inside, I got another hang tag. Interesting, but this one came with one. Well, hey, that's a bonus, right? I got another another hang tag, but yeah, this I'm sure was a return. Now that I see that, I'm not sure what happened there, but it looks like it's in good shape. There's nothing, and it's still got the little care booklet. Oops, yeah, care booklet inside with the little magnet thing. So I'll just put that to the side. So I'll give you a little look around this. I think this does need to be stuffed a little bit. It got a little mushed up. But it's got a nice back pocket here for your phone, which will fit perfectly, I'm sure. And then in this side, you have a nice big slip pocket. And then the front side, you do not. It's just open. So I think if you remember when I got my Dooney camera crossbody, the zip camera crossbody, I said I was on the fence because I really wanted a Jess for a long time, and I thought it would be too confusing to me with the two compartments because they were exactly alike and I'm never going to figure it out. I have no faith in myself, right? But actually, you know, one side does have the back pocket and the pocket inside, so I figured I probably wouldn't be that confused. There's no feet. So here it is next to the Dooney that holds everything in the world. And the Dooney is actually a little shorter. I'm surprised. See, it's a little bit shorter. But they look like they're about the same width. So I think I'm going to actually be able to get even more in the Jess, which is really cool. And here's the top of them. The Dooney only has one zippered compartment, which I like because it really fits a surprising amount. And then you've got the zippered pocket on the front of this one and the slip pocket on the back of this one. So let's check the dimensions here. So the Dooney is 8 inches across, by 6 inches high, and about 2 3/4 deep. And the Jess, I do like this detail here. This is really pretty. And the gold is beautiful on it. I love that gold hardware. Imitation gold, but gold. Okay, this is a little bit wider. It's 3 inches exactly. And instead of being 8 inches across, it is 9.5. So that's a pretty big difference. And then height-wise, this looks a little taller as well. Height-wise, this is 6.5. So that's nice. That's an interesting comparison because I really thought that they would be the same, if not this one be a little bit bigger. And this one packs so much in it. This is like my go-to grocery store bag. So I think that for the winter time, this really pretty black pebbled leather with the gold hardware is going to look really nice, kind of festive. And the strap is nice too. I think it'll be pretty comfortable. It's adjustable, and it's just also the pebbled leather, kind of thick. And I'll come back later after I've used it to give a little review of what fits and how I liked it. But so far I really like it. These, I mean, even though the presentation was really lousy, hey, I got an extra gold hang tag, so that's good. And these two go together really well, and they're both in really good shape. There's nothing wrong with either one of them. So if they want to send me something that's not stuffed, as long as it has all the tags and the components, I am cool with it. Got a tremendous deal. I can't even remember. I think this was the Jess I got for under $100, and then this, I want to say it was in the $20 something range. But I actually had this one in my cart for like, I think the last 2 months since one of the last sales, and then I just thought, well, I'm not going to move it out of the cart. If it sells out, then it'll disappear. And it never disappeared. It stayed in there. So anyhow, ended up getting it. It'll be perfect to use with this Jess Crossbody. I'm very happy with it. I think it'll be a really good carry, and I will come back at another time and show you guys how it worked out for me. But I'm surprised at the size of it, that it's actually much bigger than I thought it would be. So very practical size bag. Well, I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Until next time.